Hey guys, on today's video, we're taking a look at the forms that you guys have to fill up once you get to Cuba. Well, to get to Cuba. And then once you go home, you don't have to fill it up again. It's just for arrival. Anyways, if you guys did this through Sunwing, then it's going to be a little bit easier, but it's the same thing. Whatever company you guys use to fly to Cuba, you're going to still go to the same website. But anyways, just to show you in Sunwing, for example, if you sign in, so we're going to go here on the top right hand side, going to sign in, and if you don't have a sign in, just create one, and then you guys can just input your booking, and then there you go. So that's down here below. You would create an account. So again, in Sunwing, all you guys have to do is go to My Trips and then just add your booking. So you guys are going to see that add trip. Once you add it up, then you're going to see what requirements. So here it is, new Cuba entry requirement. This is not a form that you guys have to print out. This is all digital. Just make sure you have the QR code on your phone once you're done with it, and then you're done. Again, this is for Sunwing, but at the same time, whether you guys are traveling with another agency, you're going to go to the exact same link. Sunwing just makes it a little bit easier. So once you click there, this is the link. So I'm going to provide you guys the link to go here. And then what you guys want to do is create a form. So that's crear formulario is right down here below. You're going to create one, okay? And the link that you're looking for is this one up here. So that's the link that you are all going to go to. So it doesn't matter, again, if you're from Sunwing or any other airline that is, you're going to go into the same website because this is the website for Cuba. And then from here, you guys can go on and fill it up. Now, no, you don't need to know Spanish to fill this up. So that means the first thing you guys should do is go on the top. You guys are going to see top right. You're guys are going to see this. So all you guys have to do is just tap on it. You're going to see all these languages. So you guys can go on and change it to English. So there's Italian, French, for example. So if you guys speak French, go ahead and change it to that. English, I'm going to assume that's most of you watching this. Now everything changed to English. So here's the form request. That's what you guys have to do. Their translation is not the best. Anyways, so we're going to go right there. And here's your personal data. So you just fill this up. So fill it up with your first name, second name. Have your passport beside you because you will have to put in your passport number right here. Then you're going to go into country, put in your country, email, phone number, and then go into next. Now, you know where it says first and second surname? Well, that's because in a lot of Latin countries, you have two last names. Usually you would have the one that you're born with, so whatever that last name is. And then once you get married, there's the second last name that you're going to add into your name. So that's why you would see this. So even children, usually they have the last name of their father and mother as well. So you would see those two things there. So if you guys don't know what this is, don't worry about it. Just put in your first last name. So just your last name. And by the way, your second name would be your middle name. If you have one, not everybody has a middle name. All right. So like I said, once you guys have it all filled out, just make sure it's all filled out. Then and only then go into next. So right now I have everything filled out. I can just click on next. And then from here, just put your arrival date. So we're going to go on and we're going to actually very soon. So there we go. Arrival date, your flight number. That's all going to be in your booking. So just look at your booking papers and you will see your flight number there as well. Don't forget to put in your airline. So it could be anyone. I'm just going to put Sunwing because that's what we started off with. Port of entry to Cuba. This is important. Again, take a look at your stuff and look at what airport you guys are going to go to. So for me, it's this one this time. And then travel reasons. For most of you, it's tourism. And here we go. Here's your visa number. So here it is. And then you just go into next. All right, so from this page, just fill up your hotel information. So choose hotel. That's for most of you. Then your hotel name. So it could be any one of these. I'm not really sure where you guys are going, but most likely you will find that it'll be very, 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 very rare that you don't see it here. So here we go. I found the one that I was looking for. Then does it say visited in the last 15 days? Well, in our case, no, nothing. Countries visited would be absolutely nothing. Symptoms in the 15 days, nothing. And then questionnaire, well, it's just going to ask you. So if any of these things you guys have to mark yes, go ahead and mark it yes. So this is just basically for people who had COVID or anything to do with COVID. Make sure to check anything off here. If not, then just leave it as is. Going to next. Do you have something to declare to customs? So at this point, if you guys did have something to declare, go ahead and do it. Most of you will say no. And right here, currency, if you are doing like large amounts, you should declare it. So that said, anything over $5,000, declare it. And if you are declaring it, just make sure to go with a receipt or something that you took it out of your bank account, because they want to see that as well. So it's just in case they stop you and they're like, okay, where did you guys get this, $10,000? And why are you bringing $10,000? Then you should just tell them why. And plus have those receipts that you took it out of your bank account, so that way they know where it came from. But since we're not bringing anything greater than 5,000, we're actually usually just bring about $1,000 or 500, depending where we're going. We don't need to, so we just go next. Then from here, just click on I agree. Then whatever this is, if you guys can't see what that is, then just, click here to give you another code. For you guys, it's going to be different, obviously, whatever you guys are going to get. They are difficult sometimes. And here's your form. So this is a private code. You guys cannot show this code, by the way. Show your own. So do not copy what I have here. And you will be receiving an email. However, although you're getting an email, make sure to view PDF. And that way you guys can just save it, okay? So just view PDF, and this is how it looks like. So what you guys could do is just save this on your phone, this PDF under your files. And once you get there, you just show them the QR code, and there you go. You guys can get in. And once again, you'll need to fill this up once you're arriving to Cuba, not once you're getting out. So it's that easy to fill this up for Cuba, and that's all you guys have to worry about. All right, right now, on the way to Cuba, you might get a small paper, but that's not this, okay? That's a different paper. That's kind of like your visa, and you have to keep that paper with you. But that's different. That's something that you guys will get on your airplane ride to Cuba. As of now, you are all ready. Enjoy your time there. And that would be it for this video. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.